Colonization in Reverse, 1966 by Louise, Bennett, Valley. What a joyful news, Miss Matty. I feel like my heart going bust. Jamaica people colonizing England in reverse. By the hundred and by the thousand, from country and from town, by the shipload and by the plane load, Jamaica is England bound. Them a pour out of Jamaica. Everybody future plan is to get a big time job and settle down in the motherland. What a island, what a people, man and woman, old and young, just a pack them bag and baggage and turn history upside down. Some people don't like travel, but we show them loyalty. Them all open up cheap fare to England agency. And week by week, them shipping out them countrymen like fire. They immigrate and populate the seat of the empire. Wanna see our life is funny? Wanna see the turnabout? Jamaica live for box bread out of English people mouth. For when them catch a England and start play them different role, some will settle down for work and some will settle for the dole. Jane said the dole is not too bad, for the paying she £2 a week. We seek a job that suit our dignity. Mr. Jane will never find work at the rate where she'd look. For all day she stay upon infant couch and read love story book. What a defilement of England. Them face war and brave the worst. But I'm wondering how them going stand colonizing in reverse. Aye, aye, aye.